How to add favorite contacts on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the phone application on your device and then tap on the contacts option at the bottom in order to add contacts to your favorites. Now go ahead and navigate to the contact that you want to add to favorites, and once you have opened the contact, scroll down and you will see the option for add to favorites. So tap on the add to favorites option you see there, and you will then see the option for message, call, and video. So go ahead and choose one kind of favorite you want to add and then tap on it. And with this, the contact will be added to your favorites. You will simply be required to choose the perfect number and the location and the work genre in order to keep it to your favorites. And once done, you will see a star symbol beside the number, which simply means that the person's number has been added to favorites. So this was about how you can add favorite contacts on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.